Hey guys, here we have a double integral problem. Let's quickly go through it. So the domain is in terms of x and y, where x ranges from 0 to pi over 2, and y ranges from 0 to cos x. So, there are two options here. The option that I have here is one of them. The other being you could, sort of flip the order. What I'm trying to say is, if you look at it this way, 0 pi by 2 and 0 cos x, which means now it's going to be dx dy. Then cos x is dependent on dx, right? So if we get rid of this, we're going to get what? X squared over 2, right? And then we're going to get a number, and then later on, this cos x is going to create problems. We're not going to get a value for that. There's going to be a variable x, and that's not what we want, right? It's a sort of a definite integral here. So we want number to be the final answer. So this is why we sort of set it up here, just because of the limits that's been given to this problem. So again, nothing really difficult here. Let's go quickly through the steps. I've already written them down. So x, right? We're doing it in terms of y. So x is treated as a constant here. So x times, so it is y to the power 0, the integration is y to the power 1 over 1, right? That's how I get the y over here. And now I'm, adding the limits, right? So it's going to be cos x minus 0, that's going to be cos x. So this is the integrand here, right? Now we'll have to use integration by parts here. That there could be other ways, but this is the one that I found to be the most easiest for this solution. And what's the formula for integration by part? Let's say it is u dv is equal to uv minus v du, right? This is the formula for integration by parts. Here I've supposed x to be u and cos x dx to be dv. And there are different ways to find out which goes where, like which one you should integrate, which one, which one should be dv and which one should be which one should be u. There's like let where it sort of gives you what should be u, right? So inverse, log, a algebra, right? T trigonometry, e being exponential. But there are like different rules. So you can use whichever you like. And we do integration by part here. So u is equal to x. So du by dx will be 1. Therefore, du is equal to dx. dv, we're supposed it to be cos x dx, right? So v, all you do is integrate both sides. v is equal to sine x plus c. So what you do here is just use this side to get the answer for this. So uv would be x times sine x minus v is sine x, integration of sine x, du is dx, and this is what you get. Now you just put the upper and lower limits here, right? You just substitute the value, and pi by 2 over pi by 2 minus 1 is what you get. Pretty simple enough. The only thing that you had to remember for this is integration by parts, right? That's the only important concept here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me on this one, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.